Delicious recipe for Rosh Hashanah dinner: honey-glazed chicken breast with apples. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, 2 apples preferably sweet, like Fuji or Gala, sliced a ½ cup honey, a ¼ cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil, chopped walnuts optional, for garnish, chopped fresh parsley optional, for garnish. Instructions: 1. Prepare the marinade. In a bowl, mix the honey, soy sauce, mustard, minced garlic, cinnamon, salt and pepper. Reserve some of the marinade to glaze the chicken at the end. 2. Marinate the chicken. Place the chicken breasts in a container and pour the marinade mixture over them. Cover and let marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. You can leave it for several hours for more flavor. 3. Cook the apples. In a large skillet, heat a little olive oil over medium heat. Add the apple slices and cook for about 5-7 minutes until tender. Remove and set aside. 4. Cook the chicken. In the same skillet, add a little more oil if necessary. Remove the chicken breasts from the marinade and cook in the skillet for about 6-7 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and cooked through. 5. Glaze the chicken. During the last few minutes of cooking, pour the reserved marinade over the chicken and add the cooked apples. Cook on low heat to allow the flavors to meld. 6. Serve. Place the chicken breasts on a plate. Garnish with chopped walnuts and fresh parsley. Serve hot. Suggested side dish: you can serve this dish with rice with raisins and walnuts, or a fresh salad.